In this scarf juggling tutorial, we're going to be going over 2 scarf juggling in one hand. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Peter. I'm the emotional support clown here on YouTube. If you enjoy these videos, give me a like and subscribe on the channel. It helps me out, it makes me feel appreciated. And I also need emotional support as an emotional support clown. This is a hard business. All right, on to the lesson. So today we're gonna be learning 2 scarves in one hand. Looks like this, or this, or this. In fact, we're gonna be learning 3 different patterns that we can do in one hand. And guess what? That means you can do it in the other hand and learn 6 different things. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Before we get started, there's a couple things you're gonna need. You're gonna need juggling scarves. If you don't have juggling scarves, you can also use plastic bags, but they're bad for the environment. Just buy a set of these. I'll leave you a link in the description box. Okay, on to the lesson. So before we attempt to juggle these, it's important to learn how to hold 2 scarves in one hand. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my pinky and my ring finger, these 2 fingers, to wrap around one scarf. And I'm wrapping around kind of the center of the scarf, not the edge. And then with our Yoda grip, if you've watched the ball juggling video I made, Yoda grip is what I call this, with our thumb, our index, and our middle finger. We're gonna grab the other scarf also in the center. So if we get our first scarf up in the air, once it's past its peak, once it's on its way down, that's when we have time to throw the second scarf. It looks like this. Throw up, I see it falling, I catch. So if you have that down, all you have to do is keep it going. I'm going from the inside of my body to the outside, but you can also reverse that and go from the outside to the inside. And lastly, you can do columns by making them go up and down. And those are 3 different patterns that you can do with one side of your body, which means you can also learn them on your other side. If you get it on both sides, you can do 4 scarf juggling, which I will have another tutorial for in the future. And that's it, that's 2 in one hand scarf juggling. If you learn this, give yourself a pat on the back, a round of applause, whatever you need to do to feel good. Leave me a comment. I love to hear when people are learning new things from my videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more circus tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Peace.